it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to bring you a list of my 5 favorite things that I get from Michael's Arts and Crafts store. So the first thing I love about Michael's is they have a huge basket selection. So I like to shop there whenever I'm looking for certain baskets. They have really cute wicker ones, of course, but they also have metal ones and wooden ones, and they just have a really nice selection. So I always tend to check there before I check anywhere else if I'm on the hunt for some storage solutions. The second thing I like to get from Michael's are their grapevine wreaths. They have a nice selection of those as well. You can also use your coupon on them. So to me, that's a great place to get them because you can get them at a reasonable price. Also, use a coupon on them and you have yourself a great deal. My next favorite thing to get from Michael's are their mason jars. They actually have a really big selection of different sizes that you can buy one at a time or a dozen at a time if you'd like. I also love that they have the heritage old style mason jars, whereas those are not always available everywhere. The fourth thing that I love to get while I'm at Michael's are their canvases. They have all kinds of sizes, all kinds of styles, and again, they have really great prices. Another thing that I love to get from Michael's is their chalky paint. So not always is it easy to find chalk paint in a bunch of different colors. However, Michael's has their own brand of chalky paint, and they have a wide variety and a rainbow of colors, and it's great paint. So that's kind of my go-to whenever I need a specific color or a brighter color than what Waverly brand has to offer. So I've given you a list of my 5 favorite things that I like to get from Michael's. However, I'm going to throw in a bonus one because I've already mentioned this in a previous Quick Tip Tuesday. So my 6th favorite item to get from Michael's are their foam paintbrushes. In my opinion, they are the best. They seem to hold up. I just go back to them over and over again. And if you'd like to hear more of why I love their paintbrushes, you can go watch that video, which I will link at the end of this video. So go check that out when you're done. I hope that you guys will give this video a thumbs up so I can keep bringing you this Quick Tip Tuesday series. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday right here on my channel, The Daily DIYer. Hit the bell while you're there so that you don't miss when my videos do go live. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.